सर तुम्ही आज रोड सेफ्टी अवेअरनेसाक लागून मिरामार सर्कलाचेर दिश्टी पडटा आमकां. सो आयज हांगासर कितें आहा एक्झॅक्टली?
पयलो विशय म्हणजे हांगा तुमी पळयत जाल्यार म्हाज्या फाटल्यान बस स्टॉप आसा आनी स्मार्ट सिटी बस स्टॉप आनी बाकीचे बसी म्हणजे स्मार्ट सिटी बसी प्लस प्रायवेट बसी. आतां ती बस जर हांव घेवंक सोदता जाल्यार थंय हांव बस रावना. कित्याक रावना? सगळें पार्किंग केलें थंय आनी देर इज नो बोर्ड वीच सेज नो पार्किंग म्हणून. इतली एरिया तरी नो पार्किंग बोर्ड म्हण आसपाक जाय. दुसरें कितें आहा, खुबश्यो गाडयो हांगा पार्क केल्ल्यो आहा पूण एक्झॅक्टली आनी खंय पार्किंग एरिया आसा म्हणून लोकांक कोणाक खबरूय ना. जितले ट्युरिस्ट येता हांगा ते सर्कलाचेर पार्क करून वयता मागीर. सो म्हाका दिसता टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट हॅज टू इमिजिएटली एक्ट ऑन दीस and put the necessary boards here. From Goa can we will take up the issue with traffic police, director of transport, everybody about whatever signage is there. But what I'm most concerned now, see, there is an open space there, shocking, one hole is there. So this little girl, now I'm just seeing in front of me, there's a little girl. If she goes there, she'll fall in that hole. There is no barricade, nothing. So the pedestrian safety on Miramar Circle is totally compromised. Totally compromised. And the funny part is, you will die because you are coming to catch a bus. That is the funny part. The pedestrian who is going to board a bus, family with children, they will fall in that hole because there is no safety barricade, nothing. Either there is a board, who has removed that hole? Who has made that hole? So it is very, very serious matter. And tomorrow there is a meeting for some other issue at CCP. I will raise it because this is very, very dangerous. See, the whole purpose of this awareness and global road safety to reduce the fatalities. But this is clear sign of negligence. Who is the person concerned about it? We will look into it. But it is a clear sign of negligence which will result not only in serious injury. So you can see here now, if any person is coming to board the bus at this bus stop, you can just fall inside, particularly children. They will want to go out of curiosity to see what is there inside. Now you see there is no barricading here. This much area should have been barricaded. So nobody will go near this hole. But nothing has been done. Neither can we find out who is conducting this work. No board is here. No phone number is here, nothing. Now this is why we are concentrating on pedestrian safety, because the pedestrian has to be safe when he is walking on the footpath, when he is approaching a bus stop. All these things are very important. And I tell you, if a child falls inside, her chance of survival will be very, very limited. You know. So this is a serious deficiency, and as I said, I will raise it tomorrow at the meeting, which is at 11 o'clock at CCP tomorrow morning. Now also there are two types of buses. This bus stop, there is a bench. Okay. There is another bus stop. Just one. 20 buses. There is no bench. You have to sit on that pipe. So there is a solution.
हांगासर बस स्टॉप आहा हो मिरामार सर्कल. हांगासर बस स्टॉप आहा आनी बस स्टॉपाच्या फुडल्यानूच कार पार्क केल्ले दिश्टी पडटा जे बसीचेर रावता, बसीक रावता. सो हांगासर बसता बस स्टॉपाचेर. बस हांगासर येवन तांकां रावची ना कित्याक हांगासर 4 व्हिलर्स पार्क केल्ले आहा आनी हांगासर बसीक रावपाक स्पेस ना. सो हो एक इशू हायलायट केल्लो आहा रोलांड गोवा कॅन. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार हांगा फुडें नॅरो जाता रोड आनी हांगासर खुबशे जाण हांगासर बशी रावता. हांगासर बशी रावतकूच फाटल्यान व्हेकल येता ताका मातसो प्रॉब्लम जाता फुडें बसपाक लागून. सो हो एक इशू हायलायट केल्लो आहा. हांव व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तौसिफ अहमद फ्रॉम गोवन रिपोर्टर न्यूज चॅनल.